Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video I will teach you about non-alcoholic drinks and alcoholic drinks in Ethiopia. So the non-alcoholic drinks in Ethiopia, there are lots of non-alcoholic drinks in Ethiopia and also the traditional alcoholic drinks in Ethiopia. So let's see one by one. So non-alcoholic drinks means in Amharic alcohol ያልሆኑ መጠጦች, or that means the drinks that does not have alcoholic taste. So alcoholic taste, so the drink that does not have alcoholic taste, it is called in Amharic alcohol ያልሆኑ መጠጦች. Alcohol ያልሆኑ መጠጦች. The one is coffee. Coffee means in Amharic ቡና. Coffee means in Amharic ቡና. And tea it means in Amharic ሻይ. Tea means in Amharic ሻይ. By the way, this coffee, it is the first product in Ethiopia that is produced and that is we export it. And it is the first product that we export it. So it is the most delicious drink, by the way. So you can try it. So this coffee, it is in Amharic, it is bunna. And tea it means shy. Tea means in Ethiopia or in Amharic shy. And roasted barley drink, it means in Amharic beso. And barley drink in Amharic qaribo. Barley drink, it means in Amharic qaribo. So this qaribo, most of the time it is prepared in the holidays, or if there is a ceremony or if there is a holiday. So most of the time Ethiopian people prepare this qaribo. So barley drink means it is qaribo. And layered juice, it means spritz. Layered juice, it means in Amharic spritz. And fresh juice, in Amharic it means ትኩስ juice. And it is a milk, it means in Amharic ወተት. Milk means in Amharic ወተት. So this is about non-alcoholic drinks, and the other is traditional alcoholic drink. It means in Amharic ባህላዊ አልኮል መጠጦች. ባህላዊ የአልኮል መጠጦች. And the one is traditional beer, it means in Amharic ጠላ. Traditional beer, it means in Amharic ጠላ. And honey wine, it means in Amharic ጠጅ. Honey wine, it means in Amharic ጠጅ. So why it is called like honey wine? Because of this ጠጅ is prepared from honey. And it is a local liqueur, it means in Amharic አረቄ. And fermented cereal drink, it means in Amharic ቦርዴ. In Amharic it means ቦርዴ. And barley drink, it means in Amharic ሻሜታ. So these traditional alcoholic drinks, these are the fifth. One is traditional alcoholic drinks, and the most and the usually traditional drink is ጠላ and arake. These the two are ጠላ and arake. It's the two most traditionally alcoholic drinks in Ethiopia. So traditional beer means in Amharic ጠላ, honey wine ጠጅ, local liqueur it is arake, and fermented cereal drink it means borde, and barley drink it means shameta. So this is all about today's lesson. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. See you to another video. Bye.